So I get a call Monday morning about 10 o'clock from one of my guys, said he'd been involved in an accident. He was coming through a stoplight and he was broadsided from another driver. At that point I started thinking, uh-oh, who's telling the truth here? Is my guy telling the truth? Did he run the red light? The other driver was saying he ran the red light, so fortunately for us, thank God, we had just installed these Blackview cameras like a week earlier, so there were no witnesses that stopped to clarify who did what. So basically it came down to what the dash cam saw, and we left it up to that because the other driver was adamant that our driver was at fault, and my driver was obviously adamant that the other driver was at fault. So, you know, just a clear case of he said, she said. So the video was the deciding factor.